Most people don't know this, but you can grow a bunch of potatoes out of a bucket or from a garden bed from one single potato.
Wait, what? What? One potato to make all these?
Yes, baby girl, one potato can make a lot of potatoes for you from one single potato, okay? And today I'm gonna show you how beginners can grow potatoes at home. And the best part is, it's really simple. You alright? You all ready, girls? Let's
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. These are called seed potatoes. They're not actually seeds, they're just potatoes that grow new plants.
That we don't run the whole potato like this? Like this?
Sometimes yes, but if they're big, we have to cut them. Okay, girls? So every little spot here is called an eye. So over here is an eye. That little spot here is also an eye. Also here is another eye. It can grow like a plant, just like you see this plant is emerging from that little eye.
So every eye to grow a potato?
Yes, correct. Every little eye can grow a potato, and that's what we're about to today. Okay? Alright, give me a pound.
Now where people going to grow the potatoes?
Okay, Session Zara, so people can grow potatoes in the ground. You can dig the ground and grow your potatoes from there. Or you can use like a bucket, containers, or if you have like grow bags, you can grow your potatoes from there as well. Also, you can use a garden bed, and you can be creative as well. You can turn old tires into like planter boxes as well.
Yeah, we don't need a big garden?
No, even a small backyard works. Potatoes just need three things. You need good soil, sunlight, and water.
So easy.
Yes, easy stuff, baby. Okay, Sejan Zara. First we're gonna add the good garden soil to the tires or to the containers. Also, potatoes love the dirt to be loose because it helps them to move around, and also it helps them to grow bigger.
The potatoes to move on the ground? Yeah, like this?
Yes, exactly. It helps them to grow bigger and helps the roots to stretch out. Okay, so go ahead and pour it in there. Okay, Seja, so now we're gonna go ahead and plant our potatoes. So this is kind of small, so we're not gonna cut them. This is kind of big, so we're gonna cut them on there. Okay, so it have a couple of eyes. We have one here and one there, so we're gonna split it half like this. Okay, same with this one. This one have one eye from here, so we're gonna cut it like this. Okay, this one have an eye going from here, so we're gonna cut it going this way. Okay. Alright, so let me show you an example, and then we go ahead. So we take our knife, and then we're just gonna cut it like this. Okay, so there you have it. We have the potato, you have your eye. So you're gonna place it like this, and then this one you're gonna place it like this in the soil. So the eye goes on top. Okay. Okay, Sergio, so now we cut our potatoes into half with the eye on there. So now we're gonna go ahead and plant them. Let me get them. So we're gonna be planting them going like this. Okay, where the eyes is, we're gonna be planting them going up. If you plant them going this way, it won't sprout or it won't make potatoes. It will die because this is where the new plant is supposed to be coming out. Okay,
and the eye will be at the bottom.
Yeah, the eye will be facing up, the half will be facing like this. We're gonna put one here, we're gonna put one here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you. And then when we plant it, we're just gonna cover it like 3 to 4 inches of soil. Okay, not too much, just about 3 to 4 inches. Okay, that should be fine here. Okay, go ahead and place the potato. Okay, place this one here. Okay, go ahead and cover it. Okay. Okay, Sasha. So notice we didn't fill our bucket right up, right? Because we're gonna place our potatoes like this, and we're gonna cover it with soil. So we're gonna place the eye like this at the top, and then we just cover it with soil so it make it easier. Okay. All right. So go ahead and take the soil and put it in there. Okay, that should be good right there. And then the next step, we're gonna go ahead and water it, okay? Okay, Sasha, after planting, we're gonna be watering them well.
Watering?
Yes, potatoes like moist soil, but not soaking wet. Go ahead and take a try. Let me check the soil. You see? Okay, go ahead and water it. It's still dry underneath it. Go ahead and check. What do you think? What do you think? Is good? It's nice and moist? Okay, let's go ahead and do the other one. Okay, Sasha and Zara, the hardest part of gardening begins.
What is it? What is it?
Waiting.
Gardening needs patience.
Yes, gardening needs patience because over the next few weeks, green plants will emerge, and then the plants will grow taller. Once the plant grows taller, we're gonna add some soil to the stem to help the potatoes grow stronger and also to help it make more potatoes.
That we adding more soil to the plant to get more potatoes.
Exactly. We're adding more soil to the plants so we can get more potatoes because the plant is growing taller, so we have to add more soil to the stem. Okay, all we have to do now is give them sunlight, water them regularly, and let nature do the rest. Alright, Sage?
Alright.
Give me a bounce. You ready? And that's how beginners can grow potatoes from home.
From using one potato.
In the next video, we'll show you how the potatoes start growing and what to do once the green leaves start appearing.
See you in the next time, guys.
Alright, take care.